Day 5 is print queue satisfied with their search on Ceres. The squadron of scholars suggests subsequently scanning the stationary stacks of sub-basement 17. The North Pole printing department is busier than ever this close to Christmas, and while the historians continue their search of this historically significant facility, an elf operating a very similar printer beacons you over. The elf must recognize you because they waste no time explaining that the new Slay launch safety manual updates won't print correctly. Failure to update safety manuals would be dire indeed, so you offer your services. Protocols must be printed in very specific order. Notation X Y means that if both page X and page Y are to be produced as part of an update, page Y must be printed at some time before page Y. ELF has for you both page ordering values, pages to produce in each update, but can't figure out whether each update has the pages in right order. First section specifies page ordering rules. 47 before 53, 97 before 13, 75 before 53. Then we have the second section where each page number of each update. Most safety manuals are different, the pages needed in updates are different. First update means this. Start by identifying which updates are already in right order. 75 is correct because 75, 47, 47 is correct, 61 is correct, 53 is correct, 29 is correct. Because the first update does not include some page numbers, the ordering rules involving those missing page numbers are ignored. Second and third updates are also in the correct order according to the rules. Fourth update is not in the correct order. 75 before 97 violates the rule 9775. We have to find out if you add up the middle page number from those correctly ordered updates. I got 4790. Part 2 has an extension where incorrectly ordered updates only the incorrectly ordered updates and ordering them correctly. Adding these together, we get 1, 2, 3. Find the updates which are not in correct order. What do you get if you added the middle page number after correctly ordering just those updates? Let's check out my solution for this in Java. There surely can be better or different approaches. I'd love to have a chat from you all. Let me know in the comments, maybe here. I link the Java solution, my GitHub, to the video as well. So for part 1, I parse in the input rule lines, update lines, then parse the rules. For each rule, I create the parts for each of them. After passing the rules, we pass the updates. Passing the updates is a similar and splitting all the updates with the page numbers with a comma. After passing the update for each update, if we check if it's a valid update or not. This can be part of part 2. I can for each update we can check here if it's a valid update or not. I have a position map created for each page, the index. Now for each before entry I check the after entry if the position map contains the before entry and the after entry, and if the before entry is greater than the after entry or equal, then this violates our rule and it's not a valid update and we return false. Similarly, we check for all the updates, and if it's a valid update I am adding it to my sum of middles and returning the answer. For the part 2 I'm checking if it's a valid update or not. If it's not a valid update, then I'm reordering it. To reorder, I'm sorting it in a manner if my rule is followed, which means if it can be modified according to the rule, where each rule has x and y associated with it in the same manner that is described in the question. If there is an x and if there is an y in a rule set, then it cannot be changed. And if we have the reverse rule existing with x equal to y and y equals to x, then we can reorder the update and we can create a valid update. And after reordering, I'm adding it to my total of middles. So this is kind of an iteration through all the rules and keys for all of them. Let me know in the comments what better solutions you all came up with. I'll be looking forward. Thank you.